rock money secure. We are out of here. All right, I'll be back. Blend door actuator. All right, so we are in tow haul mode, and I went ahead and locked it out of overdrive, even though the drive is not that far. Probably not even gonna hit 4th gear, but do not want to tow in overdrive. All right, we're going through the tunnel. What that means. Very nice. Very classy. But is it classy enough? I mean, it's really enough. 45, we're in 5th gear, so it would have gone into 6th. So that's good. Granted, we're towing empty, so I guess it really doesn't matter that much, but whatever we can do to extend the life of the transmission is what I am going to do. We got 109,000 miles, and we are going to keep it in good condition. I am not replacing the transmission. Towing F-150, very clean. Wouldn't go inside. Let's see. Hello. Hey. Money, 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 money. Hey, nope, nope. Get down. Thank you. I just gotta wait a little bit for the guy, but he's somewhere. He's delivering rock.
This is the dirtiest road my car's ever
Oh, hey, hey. Let me make sure the dog's will. Very good. All right, love you. Fairly inconvenient. Let's go. Let's load up. Let's roll out. All right, so we are full of rock, 2 yards of it to be exact. So we're gonna turn on tow haul mode with that button right there. It's gonna help with our shifts, and then I'm also going to do that 1 down, or you gotta be in drive, I apologize. 1 down, and that's gonna lock you out of 6th gear. That way we're good to go. Roll. You got to be careful. We got loose rock and no tarp, but we are taking the back roads. And I also don't want to do super sharp corners since this trailer is only rated for about 7,000 pounds. This truck can tow 10. The truck is not the problem. It is the trailer that is the problem. However, we do have excellent Freedom Hauler tires, 10 ply. So, should not be a problem. Take it real easy. So we are going to go down that road over there. We're clear. Here we go. Take it nice and easy. No abrupt stops, no rapid acceleration. Keep that transmission temp good. Cruising. This is a really good trailer. I don't know who built it. 16 foot, has solid steel ramps. We installed the Rhino USA side-by-side hold-down straps for the tires. Cut a hole in it, cut a hole in the side, that way we can load our four-wheelers and whatnot. It's very nice. Alright, so now we are on this top hill. So I'm going to start signaling, I'm going to start slowing down way before. Put it in second, even though it may not be necessary. Put it in first. I want the truck to slow us down. Use the brakes, slow us down, even though it's not that much of a load. You want to treat your transmission with care and respect, alright? Especially when it's not your vehicle. Alright, clear?